Welcome back. 2021 Olympic 110-meter hurdles champion Hansa Parchment was among 7 sports personalities who were conferred with honours at the National Honours and Awards ceremony held today at the National Indoor Sports Centre. More in this report.
From excelling on the track to being rewarded for your hard work, Hansa Parchment received the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander Class for his exceptional achievements in the sport of athletics at the world and Olympic levels. He said the award is a testament that hard work does pay off.
You know, it's something to look for, something for young athletes to think about as well. You know, of course, I think, you know, don't like with times in track and field, you don't try to put times in front, you try to focus on the work and the times will come. So it's the same thing, focusing on the work, trying to put our best foot forward and give it our all, and then, you know, the recognition will come afterwards.
Parchment's coach, Fitz Coleman, was also conferred with the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for outstanding contribution to sport in the area of track and field. He offered some advice for continued growth and development of athletics.
If we can improve on the structure, the general structure from admin down the line, I think we can be consistent in terms of the output. You know, the talent is here. And it's just, I think we just need to have a structure, a real structure, not a phantom one, but a real structure that will enhance the talent so that it can be ushered up and forward.
MVP head coach Paul Francis also received the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for outstanding contribution to sport in the area of track and field as well. He was elated to be recognized for over 3 decades of work in the sport.
Receiving an award or being recognized for anything that you do is always an honor, you know, because sport is non-traditional. We're not the persons who are around in the shirts and ties with jackets. And whenever a sports person or somebody associated with this industry gets awarded, it means they are being appreciated. So I'm very humbled by all of this.
And veteran coach Wendell Downswell also received the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for contribution to the development of football, while former Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association President Ambassador Stuart Stevenson also received the Order of Distinction for his contribution to sports. Downswell says the award was one of the highlights of his career.
Let me just say this is a very special moment, a very unique moment for me in terms of personally my career as it relates to for an honor of this magnitude that has been bestowed on me as it relates to an OD is really a significant achievement, and this I think will serve as a serve as a motivation and inspiration, especially for young and aspiring individuals in the fields of sport and in particular football itself, you know, because having gain this achievement, they will see this now as an inspiration for them to achieve something of this magnitude.
Renowned sports medicine specialist Dr. Paul Wright was also honored for his contribution to the industry. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.